Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we're gonna take a look at Video Editor for Windows 10. And this is a built-in application that comes free with all Windows 10 installation. So if you have a Windows 10 PC and you have updated it to the latest version, then you might have a free video editor, aptly named Video Editor. So it comes with your Photos app, but if you don't know where to find it, you just search for it, Video Editor here, and then when you tap to open it here, it's gonna take you to this interface. And then as you edit, all your edits will show here. And who is this application for? So if you're a video editor who uses Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro, this one is not really for you because this is a bare bones version of those applications. So you can edit videos here, you can import videos that you have edited or spliced, but you won't have your advanced tools like blurring or other LUTs or filters that you want to apply to your video. This is for like editing fast videos that you can share to your friends or just for your personal collection. So right here you have your welcome to Video Editor greeting, and you can see the first button is new video project. So you can start from scratch, and that's where what are we gonna do. So name your video. Right off the bat you have to name your video. For example, this is so just skip if you don't want to save, or just rename it right from the start. And then you can see here this interface. It is really bare bones. It looks like your professional video editing software that some people use, some professional people use. But this is your assets. This is where you can drag and drop your videos or photos. This is your preview space. You can play or stop the video as you're editing. This is your storyboard. So this is where you click something and then edit it. So first off, we're gonna start from here, and we're gonna import or add some assets. So you can just drag and drop or just click this add button, but the easiest is to just drag it from a folder. Open the folder and then drag it here. You can see the one and the copy icon, and then it will add the files for you. Wait for it. It depends on the size of the file, of course. If you have a 1 gig file, it will take some time. If you have a 10 megabytes file, it's gonna take no time at all. So right here you have your file. It's very small. Of course, you can preview it small or medium. Of course, if you clicked on medium, all your assets here or your files will be enlarged. So we have an 18 minutes 35-second file, and this is a repair video that we have in the shop. So what we're gonna do here is to check this and then place in storyboard. So what this will do is transfer this and add it here to our storyboard right there. So you can see here we have our file. So this one you can disregard from now. As you move along with your edits, you can just click and add to the storyboard as you see fit. And then you can see here it's oriented on a vertical orientation, and we can see that we can rotate this video. How will we do that? Just check this, select the video in the storyboard, not here, and then just click rotate or Control R, and that's it. You can also click multiple times. It's pretty fast actually. And then as you preview it, just play. It's not space, it's just K. I don't know why they chose the OK button. So stop, also OK. You can also scrub. It depends on the CPU power of your computer. If you have a computer that's pretty high-end, you can just basically scrub this with no problem. So this is a very long video. Some of the parts of this video is mostly uneventful, so we're gonna remove that. How we're gonna do that? So first, we're gonna select this again. So just click trim. The video is, for example, if you want to just start off your video here and then end it here. So this part right here in the middle is the one that's gonna stay. So you can see here the clip length is reduced to 10 minutes 49 seconds. You can also reduce that. So this is perfect if you want to remove the first portion of your video where you kind of preparing your setup, I guess, and then right at the end when you're trying to stop the video, so you can just have a cohesive video. That's really a good application for trim. And if you click done, from 18 minutes you're gonna have 9 minutes. See that? So it's 9 minutes now. And if you don't want to do that, of course you can undo it, Control Z, and it's back to 18. Next is split. This is important for video editing since you can splice videos and remove stuff that you don't want. So this is, I think, the most used feature for most video editors. Let's select the file, the video file here. If you don't, it's just gonna select whatever playhead is in. So for example, if it's here on the second video, it's gonna select that one. But if you want to explicitly select this and then go to split and then select the portion that you want to split. So for example, I want to split it right here. So this is not working well because nothing is happening this part. So for example, clip 1 is 41 seconds, then this one is clip 2. So of course you're splitting it, so this one is smaller and this one is larger. So when you click done, you now have two portions of the big video that you once had. So for example, this one is the first, and then you can also split. For example, it's gonna continue, it's not gonna jump right off. So if you want to just continue on this part right here where the actual operation, the repair video is done, you can also splice it. So clip 1 is 22 seconds. This one is 17 minutes 31 seconds, and then click done. So what we're gonna do now is remove this one. So this one is okay, this one is not, and this one is okay. You can just delete it here or press delete on your keyboard. So when you play it, so right around on the 41, 39, okay, right there. So 41.2 there. So that is split. The next tool that we're gonna test is the text. So this one is straightforward. If you want to have like captions, titles on top of your video, you can just select text style, then type your text here. So for example, right there, done. You can also extend it. See? So when this is only applicable to the video clip that you have selected. So for example, you have selected the 41-second video clip. See right here, and then you can also move it around. This application has gone pretty well over a few iterations. So for example, you want to do that, and then click done. And then when you play it, right there. So that's it. I think we can still try a few more. Of course, you can select more but you don't have all the options here. So that means you can just edit one and then apply a property or attribute for that one. So filters, pretty straightforward if you want to, like Instagram or something. Then click, for example, black and white. You want that vibe going on. If you, for example, you play it from here, of course it's gonna apply that one. So the last, I think, for this one, so it will not be very long, is the background music. So as you can see, our video has been really pretty boring. Background music, you have to don't select, just go to the background music and then select one here. Some of these are very varied. Some of them are too upbeat, some of them just for vibing. You have a lot actually. See this? This is anodized. It's just a chill music. You can also lower it down or full volume depending if you're narrating or something. You don't want it to be too loud. So let's put it here. Let's try. So what you have here? Still. So it applies to all to the video file, to the rest. And then as you, maybe this is good for you, this is good enough for you, then you can just save it. It's actually saved, but you have to finish or render the video. So just so you can share it to your friends, you can have it finish the video. This will compile all the changes that you have done, the edits that you have done, into a final product. So you can choose to have high, this is recommended, but it will consume a lot of storage space and it will take a lot of time to render. Medium, 720p, and the smallest, low, 540p. And select 1080p if you have a lot of storage and if your CPU is pretty fast. And then just check this one, make things faster. So you just click export, and of course it will ask you where you want to save it, and that's it. When you go back here, you still have it, and then you can continue editing it. So that's it, guys. If you want to go back to your work, if you want to continue editing it the next day or after you took a break, just tap on it and it will be open for you the last moment in time that you have edited it. There's no need to save it because I think it automatically saves. So that's it, guys. If you like this video and maybe you can try this in your home and you want to see more of this kind of stuff from Sydney CBD Repair Center, please click like and subscribe. And thank you for joining us. Visit the shop, message us on Facebook if you want to have your smartphones repaired. And until next time, cheers.